What's up, you guys? It is Kyra NYI, and I'm back again with another video. New week, new wig. Now I'm just playing. Hold on. Something in my teeth. Stop, Charleston. Anyway, so I did not feel like doing my hair this week, so to get the elephant out of the room, I am wearing a wig and not my natural hair this week. I don't know, just felt like switching it up. Got tired of doing my hair. It's just been taking a lot out of me lately. This week is actually my first week back to normal school. We're no longer doing distance learning in Kansas. Obviously most normal schools are out for the summer, but since I am in a medical assistant program, it goes all the way through, and I do not finish school until October. So I'm going back to regular classes, and I'm just going to try and vlog this week for you guys, and let's hit the road.
Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to go through and do a voiceover for you because these last 2 weeks of school have been very hands-on for me, and we've been learning a lot of stuff. And obviously, with me becoming a medical assistant, education is the most important thing, so I can't always film. But the first week, what we did was really interesting. We started on injections. We did IM, intermuscular, SQ, which I think is subcutaneous, but don't quote me on that one, and then ID, which is intradermal, I believe. And as you can see, she has the different ranges. There's a 90-degree angle, or 45-degree angle, and a 15-degree angle, and that's typically where different type of shots will be. We did shots in the arm, and then also we did some in the buttocks, which I thought was kind of weird, but you know, you have to learn it. And then one thing that I learned is that some of like the birth control shots, they're kind of like low back to butt range, and I did not know that because I personally never have had that type of birth control. But yeah, so learning about different injections and actually getting to do it on real people was really cool for me. So the next week after that, we did even more hands-on activity. We started to draw blood. Before we could do it on a real person, I had to do it on this dummy. I'm just showing you guys that, and I also learned how to properly tie tourniquets and just the whole process of drawing blood. So it was pretty interesting. This is just me showing you guys the dummy and all that. So yeah, all the supplies and whatnot that we use, and then there's just a little picture that I took of like one of my first blood draws. But the most exciting was the next day when we actually got to do it on live people. Obviously I couldn't film, but I showed you guys me after getting mine. I let one of my classmates, you know, practice on me, and I practice on them. And then this is just me tying a tourniquet. If y'all hear that noise in the background, it's my dog. I'm sorry. Stop, Charleston! Stop it right now. I'm filming a voiceover. Okay, so anyways, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was on the shorter side, but I do hope you decide to subscribe and realize that I was just focusing on my education, and that's why I did not get a lot of videos, but I did try and film what I could, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.